What if I told you a culture 2,000 years ago used a standard unit of measurement to track the winter solstice sunset? I'm standing here at Hopeton Earthworks, the nation's newest UNESCO World Heritage Site, and in this video, I'm going to show you evidence of their genius. Just a mile east of Mound City Group, Hopeton is our crucial second stop. While Mound City introduced the concept of a sophisticated ancient society, Hopeton provides something even more powerful: specific, undeniable evidence. These were not just ceremonial grounds, they were built by brilliant engineers and astronomers. In this video, we'll go from broad claims to compelling concrete illustrations that build our understanding of this incredible culture. Hopeton Earthworks is a testament to the Hopewell's advanced engineering and architectural skill. The site features a precise 18-acre circle and an adjoining 19.4-acre square. The walls of the square alone reached impressive heights of 12 feet and were 50 feet wide. But it's not just the size that's remarkable, it's the precision. The Great Circle here measures a perfect 1,050 feet in diameter. This exact dimension is replicated at other major Hopewell sites like Newark, Circleville, and High Bank. This isn't a coincidence. It's just a shared, standardized unit of measurement and a coordinated architectural tradition across a vast geographic area.
The enclosure consists of a circle and a square, the latter measuring 950 by 900 feet.
The walls of the rectangular work are composed of a clay loam, 12 feet high by 50 feet base, and are destitute of a ditch on either side.
Now, while Squire and Davis' initial work in 1848 was foundational, it was only part of the story. Modern archaeological techniques like magnetic surveys have revealed even deeper layers of their engineering prowess. At Hopeton, researchers discovered a woodhenge, a series of monumental wooden posts that once outlined the Great Circle. This reveals a multi-layer construction approach that went far beyond simply piling dirt and highlights the Hopewell's advanced planning and carpentry skills. This site isn't just about impressive geometry, it's also a cosmic calendar. The parallel walls of the complex were meticulously constructed to align with the winter solstice sunset. This precision is part of a broader pattern of alignments to key solar and lunar events found throughout the Hopewell ceremonial earthworks. These meticulous alignments show the Hopewell people had a profound understanding of celestial cycles, integrating their astronomical knowledge directly into their monumental architecture. These earthworks weren't just structures, they were sacred places connected to the cosmos. Hopeton Earthworks served a profound sacred purpose, recognized as a sacred site and a place of ceremony connected to the cosmos. Interestingly, very few artifacts have been found within the enclosures themselves. This suggests the earthworks, the precise geometry and celestial alignments, were the primary sacred objects, not just containers for the offerings. This implies a deep spiritual connection to the land itself. The Hopewell people were also part of a vast interconnected network that stretched across North America. The nearby Scioto River acted as a vital artery for travel and trade. But they weren't just exchanging goods. They were also sharing ideas, technologies, and spiritual beliefs. Archaeologists even theorized that some items, like finely crafted bladelets, might have served as tokens for religious pilgrimages, similar to how people traveled to sacred sites today. It's important to remember the descendants of the Hopewell are still here today, still carrying on their rich cultural traditions. In fact, many of the sites are actively managed and interpreted in collaboration with federally recognized tribes who trace their ancestry back to Ohio. This connection to living cultures emphasizes the relevance of these incredible places and challenges the idea that these places are just relics of the past. Hopeton is one of the 8 sites that make up the Hopewell Ceremonial Earthworks UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we continue this series, we'll explore other monumental achievements. Our next stop is the Hopewell Mound Group, where the culture was first identified and named. This is followed by Seep Earthworks, which highlights the monumental scale and human effort required to build these sites. This series is our way of challenging the historical oversights and sharing the incredible stories of human history by recognizing the brilliance and the resilience of the Hopewell people. Join us on this journey by subscribing to the channel and watching the next video.